Hello, welcome back to my channel Absolutegh. Today we are going to make aloe vera oil. So to the preparation we will need aloe vera. You have to cut your aloe vera into small pieces like you've seen in the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So after cutting it, I put it in my frying pan or your saucepan, and then I added my cold pressed coconut oil. If you have not watched how to make cold pressed coconut oil, the link will be in the description box below. So I added some amount of cold pressed coconut oil to it and then put it on fire. Please share my video to your friends and loved ones so that they also get to know of this channel. So after pouring the cold pressed coconut oil, I then put it on fire. So I keep stirring it every few minutes. I just stir. You leave it on fire and stir until you see that the whole aloe vera gel has shrunk or there's no gel in it. That's when you know that it is okay, it is well infused. So after that you sieve it and then you bottle it up. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share to your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.